please, please, I need a good grade on this stat exam. It's only in a few hours. I need to cram. Hypothesis testing. Oh, that's my weakest subject. Come on. Let's get this practice. Okay. Hey, Miss Kaufman, can I have some practice?
Here's your practice problem, try hard.
Oh. What is this? Oh no! Not like this. Okay, let's just see it. Hold on. Okay. So we've got a study of the proportion of students nationally that use fidget spinners during school was found to be 0.57. At your school, you conducted a random sample of 50 students and found that 34 used fidget spinners during school. 30, that's a lot. Is there evidence that more students use fidget spinners at your school? How do I do this?
Yes, you do.
Oh, you're right, I do. State. All right, perform a test at the F equals 0.1 significance level, where HO, P equals 0.57. Oh, yes. HA, P is greater than 0.57. This is gold. P is a true proportion of students at your school who use fidget spinners during school. Beautiful. Okay, conditions. How are these conditions so hard to remember?
Yes, they are.
How can you help me?
I don't know. How can I?
No, how? Can you help me?
Oh, of course I can. Come over here.
All right, so plan. We're gonna conduct a one prob Z test, right?
That's right.
Oh, so what are the conditions for a one prob Z test?
Let's see.
Random normal independent.
Oh,
That's the condition.
random normal independent. What's that?
Oh, okay. So for your random, we have a random sample of 50 students. For your normal condition, it's normal because n times p is 34, so that's greater than 5, and n times p minus 1, that's 16, which is also greater than 5, so it's normal. And for your independent, it's the 10% condition.
Simple. Time to do the do.
One eternity later.
Must conclude problem. Conclude p-value lower alpha. Conclude context. HA. In the dream world.
Hey, I'm the HO. I got the flow. Let's go to the show.
Hey, I'm the HA. I always get my way. I can even play with the ballers in LA.
Who are you?
I'm the HO.
Oh, what's that?
The statement of no change. From the problem?
Which problem?
The problem of your dreams.
Which
The
is...
fidget spinner.
No! Who are you?
You don't know me?
No.
I'm the rich, cool, smart HA, the alternative hypothesis. You come to me when the HO is wrong.
Oh, so you're like the opposite of HO.
Yeah,
So, what does that mean?
that means I'm the statement of change.
Oh, okay. But how am I supposed to believe you?
Oh, yes, you are supposed to believe him.
Okay, sounds.
I'm the bouncer here at the alpha equals 0.1 significance level. It's a very exclusive club, only the best distributions get in. Got my list right here. Only chi-square, bimodal, uniform, and approximately normal can even get a chance to get in here. Just last week I was talking to Uniform. What a great fellow. Just real top notch.
Time to get into this club.
But sometimes we get these fellows. Oh, hold it right there.
What?
I'm sorry, but your name's not on the list.
What do you mean it's not
We
on the
must
list?
we must have a problem with your p-value.
What?
Must be too little. Too small.
What?
You want to see it?
I would. Prove it.
It's a shame. All right. So we state performing a test at the alpha equals 0.1 significance level, obviously. HO, P equals 0.57. HA, P is greater than 0.57. So you're the P equals 0.57. You just don't have a chance.
Oh no.
P is the true proportion of students at school use fidget spinners during school. conduct a 1 prop Z test. All the conditions are met. Do 0.68 minus 0.57 over the square root of 0.57 times 0.43 over 50 is equal to 1.571,
Oh man.
which gives you a p-value of 0.0581.
What?
P-value less than 0.1,
What?
and that means you can't get in here. Sorry, fella.
I've always wanted to get in.
Yo, HA!
What's up? How's it going?
Oh, you know what? You're on the list. I just rejected HO here, so we can include the proportion of students that use fidget spinners at school is greater for your school.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Right, this is the HO.
Oh yeah.
What a loser.
Yeah, what a sucker.
I know, right?
But we got a great one tonight.
A great
good
crowd. Good distributions. The
Oh,
normal.
yeah.
It's perfectly normal. It's all
Oh,
in
yeah.
there. Okay, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, every day, all the cool distributions, they get in to the alpha equals 0.1 significance level club. And I can never get in. They say if the P is low, reject the hoe. And apparently that makes me the hoe. How is my P value so small?
Yes, it is.
A few inches later, day 2.
I need to get in this club. I need to commit a type 2 error to get in this club. They need to fail to reject me when they should reject me. I need to disguise myself. Let's try this. Let's do this.
Whoa. Who are you?
The new distribution in town.
What is this? Oh, never mind. You're cool. You know, you can go right in, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hey YouTube followers, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, I just finally made it in to the Alpha equals 0.1 significance level club. Let's go have some fun with these distributions. Yeah!
Hey buddy, so I think you're pretty great, but these other distributions, I heard them calling you a bimodal freak. Bimodal trash.
At least I'm not skewed like you. Whoa. How can you say that? Look at my mean. It's greater than my median, unlike you guys.
Whoa! But you have degrees of freedom. How many do you even have? I don't know. And this guy, he has 2. Come on, they say 3 heads are better than 1. What about 2? You see, it's the worst one of all.
One of your head is skewed. Look at that. You think that's good?
Yeah, that's
At
really
least
fantastic.
look at your mean, median, mode all in the same place.
Your mean and median. What about them, huh?
It's greater than, at least my mean is greater than my median. Not like you have a smaller mean.
Yeah, but what's your mode? 0?
Hey man, what's going on?
Oh.
Hey, looks a pretty nice day out here, right?
Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
I'll just go in.
Oh.
Whoa.
No.
What are you
We're all
doing?
full tonight.
What do you mean?
Yeah, everybody's already here.
Who took my spot? What? What in standard deviation is going on here?
I don't know. You tell me.
You committed a type 2 error.
What? No way.
You let that HO in.
What? You're right. Time to call the police.
Yes.
I smell tattoo arrow. What's going on here?
This idiot committed a type 2 error. He let my null hypothesis in the club.
How could I?
Yes, you could have.
Dude, look at the
Let me
text.
see this. Okay, according to this, the p-value is 0.05. That's less than the 0.1 significance level. You failed to reject SO when you're supposed to reject SO. Now what? Where's he?
Well, he's in the club. Oh, you should do a stakeout. That way you catch him on the way out in the act.
Here, let's go find him. Let's go.
Where's he?
Holy goodness of fit. I think the popos are coming. Holy stat, Batman! You can never run from me! Oh!
Time to evade. They'll never get me in the clink. Never get away from me, you tattoo arrow. I got you. Whoa! So slow. Never catch me. Yes, I am. They're gaining on me. I gotta crank it up. Oh no! Alright, Skew, I just ran out of gas.
Get out of your car. Move your hand. Hand back.
Oh no.
Oh no. You can't do this to me. I'm too young for this. Oh no. Tattoo arrow contained.
6.5 hours later.
How could you do this to me?
I already did, boy.
What is your reasoning for this?
Reasoning. You see this right here?
I do.
This is the test I got from the bouncer. And according to this test, today, your power were low. And you know what that means?
What does that mean?
It means today you were lucky. Today, your power were low, so there's a high chance of committing a tattoo error, and a low chance of rejection your HO.
And what does that mean?
That means because of you, we have to raise your significant level to the alpha equal 0.12 now. And into your cling you go.
Oh. Oh man, alpha equals 0.1 significance level club. That is the place to be. Heaven on earth. That was the night of my life. Too bad I ended up in the clink. Who in the significance test are you?
You don't know me? I'm the corrupt HO.
What?
They had to cover my face up because I'm so skewed. They put a proceed with caution on me.
Oh man. How'd
So-
you...
What are you in here for?
What am I in here for? Oh, I was arrested after sneaking in.
Was
The
your
alpha equals
P
point.
too low?
Yeah, it unfortunately was. An alpha equals 0.1 club.
0.1? Wow, what a noob. Should have gone to the 0.05 significance level club. That's where I got buckled.
Wow.
Howdy.
This is a perfectly normal distribution where there's a perfect bell-shaped curve and the area under the curve equals 1. The spread can be described through standard deviation, and the mean, median, and mode are all the exact center of the distribution.
This is a chi-square distribution where it starts at 0 and the shape is right skewed. The measure of center that can be used to describe this is the median, and the mean is greater than the median. And here the spread can be described using IQR. Also, the degrees of freedom can be used to alter the curve, which has an area of 1 underneath it.
This is a bimodal distribution. It has the shape of a two-peak bell curve. It has two modes at each peak. The center is your middle of your body if your distribution is perfectly symmetrical. And you can measure your spread either by your IQR or your standard deviation.
Alright, this is the trimodal distribution. It has a shape of 3 bell curves. In this case, it is actually skewed to the left though. The center would be the median because mean and standard deviation are affected by extreme outliers and skew. So the spread would be described using IQR because standard deviation would be affected by outliers and skew. How did I get out here?
You did.
How did I change my clothes?
You did.
Alright, let's finish the problem. So it's reject at the alpha equals 0.1 significance level, reject the null. And that would mean we include HA. And then at the alpha equals 0.05 or the alpha equals 0.01 significance level, we would fail to reject HO and have no evidence to conclude HA. Reminds me of a dream I had. Huh, great dream. Oh shoot. It's time for our status.
Alright, it's a plan, right? So, like, what are we gonna do? We're gonna conduct a one-prob C-test, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, well, what are the conditions for a one-prob C-test?
Let's see.
I'm sorry. Hey, buddy, I think you're pretty cool. But these other distributions, they were calling you a bimodal freak.
What? You call me a freak? Hey, at least I'm not skewed like you.
Oh, I'm barely skewed.
What are you talking about, you trimodal left skew distribution?
Whoa.
At least my mean is greater than my median.
Whoa! Well, at least I know how many degrees of freedom I have.
No, that's not right.
And what about you? What incarnation? Wait.
According to conclusion, the p-value of your HO is 0.05. That's less than 0.1 significance level. Now what? You failed to reject your hope when you're supposed to?
Wait. That's a proof, right? That's
How could you do this to me?
I already did.
What is your reasoning for this?
Your reasoning.
Yeah.
This is your binomial distribution.